on the right.
Okay, thank you. Hemet traffic, white red Skyhawk 604, wing up, turning final, runway 23, full stop, Hemet. It's going to the sun now. Alright, there we go. Okay, we'll do 65 all the way in. Should have a little bit of a left crosswind. Wind was like 190.
I don't see a windsock anywhere. Alright, I did. Yeah, you got a little bit of left.
About 40 degrees.
It's not very strong though.
Yeah.
Like 2 Pappy lights.
Yep, Pappy 2 box. A lot of just small airports, that's all they have.
Weird.
Sometimes you don't have the room to put a Pappy 4 between a runway and a taxiway.
Sure.
Yep.
It looks like they would here.
Yep. Hold it off.
Look at the sky crane to your left.
Alright. Whatever you meant by that, Romeo. Yeah, Hemet traffic, white and red Skyhawk on the go, runway 23, Hemet. Okay, here we go. Lights, camera, action. Incidents are good.
Yep.
Airspeed's alive. Oop, there's 55, there we go. Incidents are good. Positive rate.
Traffic Cherokee 4187 Romeo, turning downwind 23 Hemet.
It is on the downwind right now.
Yep, it's downwind. And Hemet traffic. White red Skyhawk 604 on the upwind, runway 23.
I got him saved. Check it out.
Yep, we got him.